Hey there! Today we have a problem where we need to aggregate, merge, and compact some values in a table. The task is to aggregate other columns based on unique values of the first column. In simpler terms, we want to combine related data entries under unique identifiers in a single cell. Interesting problem, isn't it? Now, let's dive into the solution to our problem. The provided formula is quite clever and efficient. It uses a combination of let, lambda, reduce, and other Excel functions to achieve the desired outcome. By defining a lambda function to aggregate the values based on unique identifiers, and then utilizing the reduce function to concatenate these aggregated values, we are able to neatly organize the data as required. It's a concise and elegant way to handle data aggregation in Excel. In summary, we've explored a smart solution to aggregate and merge data in Excel using a combination of Excel functions. By following the provided formula, you can efficiently structure your data based on unique identifiers. I hope you found this information helpful and that you can now apply this technique to streamline your data handling processes. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Until next time, happy excelling!